Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, our hair changes. It may become drier, grey or thinner. We don't always want to spend a lot of time styling our hair every day. That's why low maintenance haircuts are perfect. They look beautiful, stylish and very easy to manage. Let's talk about some amazing haircut ideas. First is a classic short bob. A short bob is simple, clean and very elegant. It frames the face nicely and makes you look fresh. You can keep it straight or slightly layered. The best part is that it dries quickly and needs very little styling. Just comb and go. Second is the layered pixie cut. Pixie cuts are very popular for women over 50. They are short, light and easy to wash and dry. Adding soft layers gives volume to thin hair. This cut makes you look confident and modern. You don't need much product, just a little styling cream and you are ready. Third idea is a shoulder length layered cut. If you don't want very short hair, this is a perfect choice. Shoulder length hair is easy to tie back and also easy to leave open. Layers add movement and make hair look fuller. It is stylish but still simple and maintained. Next is the soft shag haircut. Shag haircuts have light layers and natural texture. This style works very well for wavy or slightly curly hair. It gives volume and shape without much effort. You can let it air dry and it still looks beautiful. Another great option is the blunt cut with soft part. This haircut looks neat and classy. A side part adds softness to the face. It is easy to style and does not require much trimming. It works well for straight or slightly wavy hair. Now let's talk about grey hair. Many women over 50 choose to keep their natural grey hair and it looks stunning. A simple layered cut or short bob looks amazing with grey or silver hair. Grey hair can look shiny and healthy with the right haircut. Here are some easy tips to keep your haircut low maintenance. First, choose a haircut that matches your natural hair texture. If your hair is wavy, don't choose a style that needs straightening every day. Second, avoid very complicated styles. Simple cuts are easier to manage and still look beautiful. Third, trim your hair regularly. Even a low maintenance cut needs trimming every 6 to 8 weeks to keep its shape. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.